do you think technology is that the biggest thing right now? Is that the newest technology, or
Yeah,
what would you say is the next thing,
I think that's
so to say, or is that it?
I think that's it
Yeah.
right now. Who knows what the next year has to offer? 2 years. I mean, technology is growing at such an exponential rate. I mean, look how much AI
Right.
has developed the game in the last year. I mean, we're recording this first week of January 2024,
Right. Right. Right.
and this time 1 year ago, AI technology started hitting the market, and chat
Look at
blew.
what's happened.
Yeah,
Right.
chat
Since
blew
then.
up. I mean, chat's amazing. You can, I mean, we utilize AI on a regular basis, and are working to integrate it more into what we do on a day-to-day basis to make our life easier and understand metrics and our various analytics, posing questions to chat to just garner a different response. And I know within our company, our content marketing manager Dylan uses AI on a very regular basis, always pushing the envelope. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but we have no issues being the test dummies for ourselves before we present it to
Gotcha.
the client.
Yeah, that was kind of how do you see AI impacting your business model going forward in the future?
I think it's only going to make things easier, and if you don't jump on the various bandwagons, at least for uh, you know a month, and
Okay.
just see how it works for you, then you're going to be behind. Because I mean, think about how many people I know. My feed was flooded,
Yeah.
friends, coworkers, people saying that chat was silly. This isn't going to last. Here we are a year later, and I mean, you call it now just chat, right? Like, as soon as I say chat,
Right.
what
You know
I'm talking
exactly what
about,
you're talking
right?
about. Yeah.
So, um, that's not a fad. That AI is staying with us, and if you're not able to integrate at least some component of AI into your business model and your
Sure.
workflow, you're going to be left behind. You have to be able to uh, per- uh, you have to be willing to at least make the attempt at progressing